catch my breath. One moment it's January, now it's December's death. Stars are shining, lights are glow, painted on the walls. Christmas cheer is everywhere, laughter softly calls. But in this joyful season, a shadow creeps so near. Thoughts of those we've lost bring the heartache clear. Memories we carry, sweet and bittersweet alike, echoes of the laughter gone but never out of sight. Each day's a passing river, flowing fast and deep, brings the weight of longing, keeps my spirit weep. Oh, December's leaving now, but oh, the joy and pain, healing from the heartache and facing the refrain. We'll light a brand new candle for the year ahead. With dreams across the surface, we'll walk where angels tread. So many wounds we carry, hidden scars beneath the skin, but every single heartbeat tells the story where we've been. Let's gather round together, lift our glasses high tonight, with wishes for the future, we embrace the soft light. Goodbye to December, with prayers and love we spread, entering a new chapter as the old year ends instead. Let kindness in our hearts be the guiding flame we see. On this earth we share, let unity speak. Oh, December's leaving now, but oh, the joy and pain, healing from the heartache, facing the refrain. We'll light a brand new candle for the year ahead. With dreams across the surface, we'll walk where angels tread. So here's to new beginnings, with love that always stays. May we harvest moments in all our coming days. Goodbye to December, with a hopeful soft sigh. Time may move so fast, but together we will fly.